Right guys, this is my 2015 bike check. We'll just start from the top. So, handlebars, I've got the BSD Damn Paley Slim Grips. They are, honestly, they're the best grips I've ever ridden. They're super soft, straight out at the box onto your handlebars, and they're just a nice length, good length for riding. If you ride mid, you know, whatever. Bars, BSD Waza bars. From 2013. They're stickerless, I took the stickers off, I didn't really like them. But yeah, 8.5 inch rise and 28 inch wide. They're good. I like them so far. Not broken on me yet. My stem, it's a BSD V2 top load stem in red. It's good as well, I like the colour. It's really nice shape as well. Top cap is the BSD Acid Fork top cap, because the Ghetto top cap, it rounded, so this one's a bit more solid. The headset is Premium Products headset with a BSD top cap on it. My forks, the BSD V3 Ghetto forks. I really like them so far. I really like the sticker. It's probably like the sickest fork sticker. But they're really nice, they're lightweight and they haven't broken on me yet either, so happy days. Both my wheels are the same. The tyres are the BSD Alex Donna Squeak tyres, 2.4 front and back grey with black walls. They're the best tyres I've ever ridden. They're so grippy, they've lasted long so far anyway. They squeak and they're just good solid tyres. I mean, they're wide as well, so I like wide tyres. The rims and the hubs and the spokes are from the 2013 Premium Solo Plus Complete bike. That's about the only intact thing left on this bike from the Complete. Everything else is now custom, apart from the cranks. Get to that. But yeah, I attempted to paint my rims black, but I did it wrong, so now it's kind of like black and red camo, but it's quite cool, so I'm going to leave it like that. I'll just see how long it lasts until all the paint flakes off and then I'll repaint it. The frame, this is the BSD Chris Kell Signature Series passenger frame. It is the sickest frame. I love it, it's great. It's lightweight. I've got it in 21.1 inch top tube. It's got an integrated seat post clamp. It's nice and wide at the back for the 2.4 tyres. The stickers are nice. Head tube's nice. Everything's nice about it. It's a great frame. It's really strong as well, and I love it. It's great. Seat is the Cult DAC pivotal seat, black with a white Cult logo, with a Cult counter pivotal seat post, and then the seat clamp's the integrated one. My sprocket is a BSD 3D Superlight sprocket. I've had that for a year now and I still don't have the spacer in it, so it's kind of bad. Like, it's not really dialed in as much as I want it, but I'll figure a way to fix that somehow. Cranks are the Premium Solo Plus cranks. These are solid as, like, honestly, I've had them for 2 years now and not one problem with them. They're solid. Bit of a delay, but solid cranks. I'd rather have solid cranks than anything else. The pedals are the grey Reed Stark Safari pedals. These pedals, everybody goes on about them breaking and stuff, but I like them. They're grippy from the start, like with the, I don't know what you call them, the wee things that stick out. And they're lightweight as well, and they spin nicely, and they look good. The grey colour. What else? I think that's it. Bottom brackets, the premium bottom bracket as well. Hubcaps. Who knows? I ride 50 psi on my tyres. Always Parker Street, because I just think that's a balanced out psi for me and I like it. So it's got enough cushion and stuff, so that's great. I think that's about it. I'll let you hear the hub. It's not really. My hub's pretty nasty. It's not really the best hub out. It's 2 years old and it's taken a lot of falls and stuff, but it's held up well. So, the chain. The chain's a YMC chain. It's just I bought it cheaply because my other one snapped. So I needed a chain quick for unit. Bought that one. It's quite cheap. It was only £10 or something. That's how undialed it is. Front end's completely dialed. It's just from the sprocket back. It's terrible, but yeah, it's a good bike. Spent a lot of money on it, so treat her well. So thanks. That's been my bike check. Thanks for watching.